I welcome us to the fourth day of the class. I believe that we have been gaining knowledge about how God, Jesus Christ, and how the people in the Bible have been participating in Missio Dei, in God's mission. We are still going to continue today. For today, we only read my note, page 3. And the focus will be the breakthrough to the Gentile nation. The question that we will ask, did Jesus participate in mission to the Gentile? How do we have the breakthrough, to Gentile mission? That will be the focus. Jesus Christ will tell some Gentiles that have been sent to the Lordship of Israel. But don't forget, when God chose Abraham, God's purpose is to reach the whole world, not only the Jews. If you look at the Old Testament Israelites, they misunderstood God's purpose. God's purpose is to reach both the Jews and the Gentiles. So today, we read how the mission went to the Gentiles. And Peter can be said to be the beginning. He was the one that took that decisive step, to reach the Gentiles with the mission. When you look at his encounter with Cornelius, we can see how God began to reach the Gentile, with his gospel. So we read about the factors that push Peter into this unaccustomed behavior, today. So let's focus on this, how the Gentiles were reached with God's mission. God bless us as we continue the reading.